This video is going to be about the VICA30 installation process and license validation check. So I'll start out by going to the VICA30 directory, which is mandatory for this software to run. Let's see, I think it's here. Yes, C drive, AC MotorCAD, VICA30 is where this VICA30 stuff is going to be located. That's your data directory. So anyway, the MSI file is here. If I double click that, welcome to the setup wizard. Okay, that's where I want everything to go, so it'll make a new file, a new folder. You wouldn't have one if it's your first installation. So you can do this. And then next, to continue the installation, installation takes admin privileges because it registers what's called DLLs, which are pieces of software that are shareable, that have to be in your registry. Has been installed. Well, let's go and see about that. And hey, looky here. This is what's been installed. So that takes care of installing, and everything should run okay, but you've got to activate your license. So to do that, okay, I have a few more files in here. Now it will work. Okay, so here, the serial key check, it wants your serial key that you were sent. I'm going to put in a test one. Oh, here it is. I'm going to use one of these VICA30 keys. I'll try this one. Copied that line into here. Now we'll check. You have to have an internet connection for this part because it goes to our server and checks that you have been issued the serial key for your particular computer. And here we go. Takes a second. The serial key expires well, we'll have to fix that because it's not supposed to expire until 2050 or something like that. Here's your order ID, success, serial key invalid for this product. That's a rejection. So now what has happened is this 524. Yeah, this has been created by the installer. This will be an unsuccessful license key when the software tries to run. I'm not sure why that failed, but it should give you a message that of success. More later.